quickly on the first drive that it was not. We found the weak. Tuned on E85, making 414 wheel.
What's going on, guys? It's Zach from the Rolling Times. I'm here with Brad from Apex Auto, and we have his big turbo D-Series Honda. Yeah. What got you into Hondas, Brad?
So my first car was a 1991 Honda Civic Si. Pretty much my father bought it for me. I blew it up and I had to learn how to work on my own car. So it all started there.
Okay. And what's the story with this car in particular?
This car was found in Lancaster County, PA, right here local. It was supposedly fully built. We found out pretty quickly. On the first drive that it was not. We found the weak spot, which was the rod bearing had spun. So we pulled it apart. We found that it was fully built except for the rod bearings were factory, which is a no-go.
Yeah.
So
I mean, and how much horsepower was this thing at when you got it?
It was tuned on E85, making 414 wheel. Now it's built stronger. We want different pistons. We want Wiseco pistons, ACL rod bearings, high pressure ACL oil pump. Besides that, everything's the same, which is Brian Crower. The whole head's Brian Crower. Stage 2 racing cam, the whole valve train. So she should be good for 500-ish safely.
Yeah, it'll be cool to get her running and see what we can do with her.
She do.
Get more than 2 pulls. But yeah, in this video, you guys are going to see us basically be putting this car back together.
We'll probably get video of it at the tuner getting retuned.
Okay, yeah, that would be cool.
Rolo is going to tune it out of Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. See what number she puts down. Hoping for 450.
Yeah.
Conservatively.
So we got a few things we got to button up on it yet and get, initial test run from having the motor out and getting rebuilt and put back together. But yeah, in the next video we upload on this car, hopefully we're out ripping, torque steering and sliding out of our lanes.
So Apex is a family-run dealership. It's primarily me, my wife. We do a little bit of everything, anything from diesel trucks to motorcycles to ATVs, campers, pretty much anything. But we focus on performance vehicles. That's what we love. So feel free to stop by, check out our website, apexautopa.com. See what we have.
Yeah, Brad's been great to us. He brings us a lot of cars from Apex. We like to go over everything, service them, make sure they're ready for sale. He likes to sell good quality stuff there. So, in turn, we get to see a lot of Brad. We get a lot of his stuff in here, and a lot of it's cool stuff. We've posted some of the JDM imports and stuff. So, probably more cool stuff to come from Apex on this channel. And,
Absolutely.
it's a pleasure to be working with you.
You as well.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this week's video. I'm glad you guys came here and checked out Brad's 500 horsepower D-Series. Well, hopefully 500 horsepower. Next time we have this on the channel, probably first start up on the new motor and hopefully some videos of us out ripping it. If you guys are excited for that, let me know down in the comments. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. We definitely have a lot more cool stuff coming into the ZB Auto Repair Shop that we'd like to get here on the channel. We're going to try and do uploads every week, if not every other week, Saturdays, 6 p.m. We're going to try and do those as premieres, so if you guys want to tune in and chat with us live while they are released, that would be great. Anyway, thanks for watching the channel, and thanks for all your support at ZB Auto. We're very happy to have all the customers and cool cars we get to work on.